Hello student, this is Dr. S. Muthukumarave, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Patrician College of Arts and Science. Welcome to Pandit Nadesan YouTube channel. Selling overhead budget. Meaning of selling overhead budget. This budget is prepared to estimate expenditure to be incurred to sell the product and its distribution. It is based on sales budget. Now we will discuss about the sum. You are required to prepare a selling overhead budget. Advertisement for rupees 1000, salary rupees 1000, expenses rupees 750, salary and DNS allowance rupees 3000. Once the amount given, these are related to fixed selling overhead and commission at 1%, carriage outwards at 5%, agent commission 6.5%. These are the items related to variable selling overhead and it depends on fully on estimated sales. Now we work out the sum. Selling overhead budget, particular estimated sales, the sum given 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh. So we will write 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh. First one particular fixed selling overhead. Fixed selling overhead is the heading and sum given advertisement. First one advertisement. I already told these are the items fixed. So this 1000 rupees common for 80,000, 90,000 and 1 lakh. Next one salary to the department. Salary to the department. This is also 1000 for common. Next one expenses of the sales department. Expenses of the sales department 750. Next one 750. Last one also 750. Next one salary and DNS allowance. The sum given 3000. It's common for all level. So we'll write 3000. Next one total fixed overhead. Total fixed overhead within bracket A. We will add column wise total. First one 5750. Second also common for 5750. Third also 5750. Next we will calculate heading variable selling overhead. Variable selling overhead is the heading. The sum given, first adjustment, commission at 1% on sales other than those agent. That means estimated sales is 80,000. It's included 8,000. The sum given other than those agent means 80,000 minus 8,000, you will get 72,000. This 72,000 into 1%, 720 is the commission on sales. Within bracket 80,000 minus 8,000 equal to 70,000, 72,000 into 1% equal to 720. We will write 720 for 80,000 estimation. Next one, 90,000 minus 10,000 into 1%, 80,000. 90,000 minus 10,000, 80,000 into 1%, you will get 800. Next one, 1 lakh minus 10,500 89,500 into 1%, you will get 895. The sum given other than those agent, that is the reason we deduct from 80,000, 90,000 and 1 lakh from the agent sales. And adjustment carriage outwards is related to 5% on estimated sales. So we calculate carriage outward at 5%, estimated sales is 80,000 into 5%, you will get 4,000 for first one. Next one, the estimated sales is 90,000. 90,000 into 5%, you will get 4,500. Next one, 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 5%, you will get 5,000. This is for last one. Third adjustment, agent commission 6.5% on sales is related to agent sales. So we'll write agent commission at 6.5%. Agent commission at 6.5%. We will calculate 8,000 into 6.5%. We will get 520. This is the first one. Next one, 10,000 into 6.5%. You will get 650. This was second one. And last one, 10,500 into 6.5%, you will get 683. Now we will calculate total variable overhead. Total variable overhead within bracket B. At the column wise total, 720 plus 4,000 plus 520, you will get 5,240. Next one, 800 plus 4,500 plus 650, you will get 5,950. Last one, 895 plus 5,000 plus 683, you will get 6,578. Now we will calculate total selling overhead. Total selling overhead C equal to A plus B. $5,750 plus 5,240, you will get 10,990. Next one, 5,750 plus 5,950, you will get 11,700. And last one, 5,750 plus 6,578, you will get 12,328. That's all about this sum. Kindly support our channel for uploading many videos. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.